Hey y'all, I'm Pete. I'm the other side of BogDeepTV. In today's video, there's going to be some jumping around, but we're still getting used to this. Mitch is still getting used to videotaping himself working on the Humvee, and I'm still getting used to editing. We'll get the hang of it, and we have awesome videos heading your way. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and stay tuned.
Alright, so we have battery, ignition. This is accessories. If I ever go to wire that in, radio, stuff like that. And this is going to be my ignition. So, on military wires, they have little tags on them that are labeled. So I have to match these up that I found on a website to what they are on here. Alright, we got wait start light. It's a good sign. We're waiting. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. It's a little off. What? I guess that would be accessories. We have our first major-ish mod, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow, I ordered some LED headlights because one's cracked and out, and the military ones are just horrible. So, tomorrow, headlights should be in. Everyone, welcome back to BogDeepTV, where one day, I'm gonna bog deep. So, I'm trying to film front-facing camera, so if I look like I'm looking off the side, I am, because I'm looking at the screen. But today we got the headlights in, and they are SS Vision. And this is all the instructions that came with. Luckily, on the Amazon page, it had the numbers correlating to a color wire, so I could play that out. And then I got on Google, of course, and there's a dude on there who has done something like this before, and he had what connectors with inside the light housing they were going to be, so like 16 high or something like that. But I'll go over that more once I go to install. Like the Easter Bunny, we're back. And then we have Doc over here. He's just munching away and wants to say hi. How you doing, Bubby? Say hi to the people. No? You camera shy? Are you just gonna go lay down? All right. I feel sorry for my neighbors. Talking to him all the time, and now I'm talking to the camera. These are done, so I'm gonna hurry up, do the other one, and we'll go outside and we'll get started. Helps if you put the battery in. All right, so we had to go out and buy longer bolts, but they're in. They're pretty bright. And that's not even the brights, and you can See a little ring where it's rubbing off the camera. But we got those. And then I had to run some wires. You can't really see them too much, but the little white or red and black wires I ran in there run into this. They tap into the blinker. So when I hit the turn signal, boom, the ring turns yellow and flashes, and both lights work. And then, as you can tell, something is backwards, because if the brights are on, the brights are off. But then I hit the brights, and we can see for miles. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching BogDeepTV. Remember to like and subscribe, and keep coming back, share with your friends, and slowly build this thing on a college student's budget.